Hey everyone, welcome to a new video in FEA using SolidWorks. So in this video, we'll be learning how to set up a buckling analysis for a Cyclone Separator stand using SolidWorks. To begin with, let's open SolidWorks and import the model for the simulation. So this is the model that we are going to use for the simulation. But since we are going to perform a buckling analysis for the stand alone, we don't need this Cyclone Separator. Hence, we will be suppressing it for the analysis. So let's begin. So now click on New Study. Choose Buckling Analysis from the list of analysis and rename it as No Stiffener. And click OK. So from the list of parts, select the Cyclone Separator parts and right click, exclude from analysis. So this way we have suppressed the Cyclone Separator from the analysis. And finally we have the stand alone. So right click and insert a material. Let's use the default material alloy steel. And for the fixtures, since this stand will be fixed with the ground, we're going to define it by right click, insert fixed geometry, select the faces of the stand, and click OK. Now that we have fixed the geometry, let's go ahead and define a load for it. So we're going to apply a load on this face with the value of 150 kilonewton and click OK. Now let's mesh the geometry using a fine mesh. Here the mesh seems fine, so let's go ahead and run the simulation. The simulation is completed. We have a resultant amplitude plot here. So right click and animate. You can see how the part is going to fail. Now if you right click on the result and choose list buckling factor of safety, you can see that the buckling factor of safety is almost 10. That means the total force required to fail this part by buckling is 10 times the force that we have applied. So usually in a buckling load for any columns, the structure is considered to be safe if the buckling factor of safety is above 3. So in our case it's above 3, so our part doesn't fail in this value of force. If I give 10 times more than this load, then our part may fail due to buckling. Now in case if you have a stiffener over here or even an additional stiffener over in the midsection, you will find that for the same load the buckling factor of safety increases. It's because the lengthy stands of the Cyclone Separator are strengthened by the stiffener. So you'll be given a challenge to work on and observe the changes as you add on the stiffness. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.